Thinking about booking a cruise in 2026? Don't hit confirm just yet. Some ships look great online but disappoint fast once you're on board. Today, we're revealing 3 cruises that consistently disappoint and 5 cruises that are actually worth booking. 3 worst cruises in 2026. Number 1. Carnival Sunrise. Carnival Sunrise is one of those cruises that can seem like a great deal at first, especially for short Caribbean itineraries with low upfront pricing. However, once you're on board, the problems become obvious very quickly. The biggest issue, and the one that affects almost every part of the experience, is overcrowding. Public spaces simply aren't designed to handle the number of passengers this ship carries in 2026. On sea days, the pool deck becomes nearly unusable unless you arrive early. Lounges fill up fast, elevators are constantly packed, and even finding seating for casual dining can feel competitive. Instead of relaxing, you spend much of your time navigating crowds. Dining is another weak point. Buffets during peak hours feel chaotic, with long lines and limited seating. Service in the main dining rooms can be inconsistent, not due to lack of effort, but because the crew is clearly stretched thin. Meals often feel rushed and small issues add up. Despite past renovations, the ship still feels dated as cabins are compact, soundproofing is poor, and noise travels easily at night. The onboard atmosphere also leans heavily toward loud, party-focused entertainment, which can feel overwhelming for travelers seeking balance. Ultimately, Carnival Sunrise is a cruise to avoid in 2026 because the experience feels compromised, and the stress often outweighs the savings. Number 2. MSC Seaside. MSC Seaside is a cruise that looks incredible in photos, which is exactly why expectations tend to be so high going in. The ship is modern, stylish, and visually impressive, with sleek lines, glass-heavy design, and outdoor spaces that photograph extremely well. On social media, it's often presented as a premium, next-generation cruise experience. However, once you're on board, the experience does not always live up to that image, especially on busy Caribbean sailings in 2026. One of the most noticeable issues is crowd flow. The ship's layout can feel confusing, particularly for first-time MSC cruisers. Certain public areas bottleneck easily, walkways narrow unexpectedly, and elevators become overcrowded during peak hours. Instead of moving smoothly from place to place, getting around the ship can feel frustrating, especially on sea days. Dining quality is another area where the experience feels inconsistent. Some meals are enjoyable and well prepared, while others feel rushed or underwhelming. Specialty restaurants are priced at a premium, but many passengers feel they do not receive enough value for the extra cost. Buffet organization is also a common complaint, particularly during high-demand periods. Service, while generally polite, often feels impersonal. Interactions can feel rushed, and communication is not always clear, which can make planning onboard activities more confusing than necessary. Overall, MSC Seaside is not a terrible cruise, but in 2026, expectations are higher. It looks far better online than it feels in real life, making it a cruise to approach cautiously. Number 3. Older Royal Caribbean ships on 3 to 4 night routes. Royal Caribbean has an excellent reputation for innovation, entertainment, and family-friendly cruising. However, short 3 to 4 night itineraries on older ships remain one of the brand's weakest options in 2026. These sailings attract a very specific crowd, which strongly affects the onboard experience. Because these cruises are shorter and cheaper, they tend to draw party-heavy passengers. Many treat them like weekend getaways rather than vacations. Noise levels are often high late at night, quiet spaces are limited, and relaxation can be difficult if you are not there for non-stop energy. The compressed schedule also hurts the experience. Port stops feel rushed, onboard activities overlap, and dining venues become crowded during peak hours. Crew members are often overworked due to fast turnarounds, leading to inconsistent service. Older ships make these issues worse as they lack modern layouts and efficient crowd management, with cramped dining areas, overwhelmed elevators, and dated cabins. Onboard technology also feels behind, including weaker Wi-Fi and limited charging options. Royal Caribbean excels on longer itineraries and newer ships, but these short sailings rarely offer good value in 2026. 5 cruises that are worth your money in 2026. Number 1. Celebrity Edge. Celebrity Edge class ships deliver one of the most balanced cruise experiences available in 2026, and that balance is what makes them stand out. From the moment you step on board, the atmosphere feels calm, refined, and intentionally designed. The ship never feels loud or chaotic, allowing you to slow down and actually enjoy being at sea. One of Celebrity Edge's biggest strengths is crowd management. Public spaces are wide and thoughtfully planned, which makes a real difference on busy sea days. Seating is easy to find, and even at full capacity, the ship rarely feels crowded or stressful. The overall vibe attracts travelers who want to enjoy the cruise rather than rush from one activity to the next. Food quality is definitely another highlight, as complimentary dining feels elevated compared to most mainstream cruise lines, with well-prepared meals, polished presentation, and smooth service. Specialty restaurants justify their extra cost with refined menus and a quieter, more intimate dining experience. Cabins are modern and spacious by cruise standards, especially the infinite veranda rooms that make staterooms feel larger and brighter. Entertainment is polished and modern, with well-produced shows and relaxed, classy lounges. What truly sets Celebrity Edge apart is how frictionless the experience feels. You are not constantly being upsold or rushed. It is upscale cruising without stiffness, making Celebrity Edge-class ships one of the best values in 2026. Number 2. Norwegian Prima / Norwegian Viva. Norwegian Prima and Norwegian Viva are designed for travelers who value freedom and flexibility, and that philosophy is clear the moment you step on board. These ships move away from rigid cruise traditions and instead let guests shape their own experience. Freestyle dining works well here, allowing you to eat when and where you want without fixed seating times or formal schedules. The ships feel modern, open, and thoughtfully designed. Outdoor spaces are a major highlight, helping avoid the enclosed, crowded feeling many cruise ships struggle with. Infinity pools, open decks, and relaxed lounge areas make it easy to spread out, even on sea days, when the layout helps maintain steady flow rather than congestion. Entertainment is varied but well-balanced. There is always something happening, yet it never feels overwhelming. You can enjoy shows, live music, or simply relax without pressure to follow a packed schedule. The vibe stays energetic but controlled. Crowd management is noticeably better than on older Norwegian ships, with smoother lines and fewer bottlenecks. Cabins are efficient, stylish, and especially well-suited for couples and solo travelers. Overall, Prima and Viva offer a contemporary cruise experience without chaos, making them strong choices in 2026. Number 3. Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. Wonder of the Seas shows what happens when size is done correctly. Despite being one of the largest cruise ships in the world, it rarely feels overwhelming thanks to Royal Caribbean's neighborhood concept. Instead of one massive crowd, the ship is divided into distinct areas, each with its own atmosphere, making it easy to move between lively and quieter spaces. Entertainment is a major highlight. From large-scale stage productions to aqua shows and ice skating performances, the quality and variety are far beyond what most people expect at sea. No matter your age or interests, there is always something to do, yet the ship rarely feels chaotic. Dining variety is another strength. There are plenty of complimentary options along with specialty restaurants that cater to different tastes and budgets. Even during peak hours, crowd management is better than on many smaller ships. Despite its size, Wonder of the Seas flows smoothly, with wide walkways and well-planned public spaces. In 2026, it remains a strong choice for travelers who want variety, entertainment, and reliability in one cruise. Number 4. Virgin Voyages. Scarlet Lady Valiant Lady. Virgin Voyages offers a modern, adults-only cruise experience that feels completely different from traditional cruising. With no kids on board, no buffets, and restaurant-quality food included in the fare, the atmosphere is immediately calmer and more refined. The focus is on quality rather than quantity, which appeals strongly to couples, solo travelers, and anyone looking for a more grown-up vacation. One of the biggest advantages of Virgin Voyages is pricing transparency. Wi-Fi, gratuities, and essential amenities are included up front, which removes the constant feeling of being upsold. This makes budgeting easier and the overall experience less stressful compared to many mainstream cruise lines. The vibe on board is relaxed, social, and stylish without ever feeling overwhelming. You can enjoy lively nightlife if you want, but it is just as easy to find quiet spaces to unwind. Entertainment is creative and unconventional, matching the ship's modern identity, while lounges and common areas feel more like upscale urban venues than traditional cruise spaces. Dining is a standout feature at the Virgin Voyages cruise. Instead of one main dining room, you have multiple restaurants with menus that feel thoughtfully curated and consistently well executed. Service is casual but attentive, adding to the laid-back atmosphere. Virgin Voyages is not for everyone, but if this style fits you, it delivers excellent value. In 2026, it remains one of the most refreshing and cost-effective cruise options available. Number 5. Princess Cruises, Alaska Routes. Princess Cruises excels in Alaska by keeping the focus exactly where it belongs, on the destination itself. Rather than overwhelming passengers with flashy attractions, Princess prioritizes scenic cruising, educational enrichment, and carefully planned itineraries that allow travelers to truly appreciate Alaska's natural beauty. One of the biggest strengths of Princess in Alaska is its onboard expertise. Naturalists and destination specialists provide commentary during scenic sailings, helping passengers understand glaciers, wildlife, and regional history. This adds depth to the experience and makes the journey feel meaningful rather than rushed. The ships themselves are comfortable and well-suited for Alaska routes. Public spaces are designed to maximize viewing opportunities, and the overall atmosphere on board is calm and relaxed. Service is reliable and professional, with a pace that matches the nature of the destination. This is not a party-focused cruise, and that works in its favor. Balcony cabins are especially worth it on these itineraries. Being able to step outside and take in the scenery from your own space significantly enhances the experience, particularly during glacier viewing days. For travelers who value scenery, learning, and a well-paced journey, Princess delivers excellent value. In 2026, it remains one of the best choices for experiencing Alaska in a comfortable, thoughtful, and rewarding way. Cruising in 2026 is less about chasing deals and more about choosing wisely. The right ship makes all the difference. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more honest travel breakdowns, and drop a comment with your thoughts or past experiences.